Hi, good morning to all. Today we are going to see about the CI/CD pipeline. So I'm just going to create one demo project uh, such that we will see the continuous integration and continuous deployment. So before this, part five have explained about the flow, how the flow is happening. Like we will do a build, like this is the part. If you didn't see that, please go through it. So first we'll do the code and build and test plan and we'll deploy. So this we are going to see in a real-time project. So in part six, okay, let me go to uh, Azure application. So when I log into this home dashboard, I can able to see this is a dashboard. Okay. It's So this is the dashboard. So in app service, we can create the applications, web applications, other stuff. So I'm going to create a DevOps project. So when you create a DevOps, so there is a difference between a DevOps project and app project. So in DevOps project, you can in single stage you can create your continuous integration and continuous deployment and even the pipeline. Everything will be done in one single step. Otherwise, we have to go manually and create the pipeline, and you have to map that app service like that. So first, we will create this one, and here you no need to know about your what you have to provision. So any dependency for the infrastructure or not required. So only you have to map your project file. Automatically, all the dependency files will be created. There is one YAML file will be created. So I'll show you actually. So let us go to this. So I'm going to create uh, a DevOps project. So my project is this is my let me go through this. So this is my simple .NET application. I just created .NET 4.7. It's just one simple page where I'm going to do taking two numbers. Just I'm doing adding that two numbers. That's it. Okay. So okay. So this is my file. Okay. Okay. So this is my file. So I'm taking two number. I'm just inputting first number, second number, and clicking add, and that will be showing the value here. That's it. Okay. So this is just simple. I want to show that how I'm going to deploy, and I return some unit test cases for this. So this is my test cases. So while building, after building, I will trigger this my test cases. So this is my test cases. What I've done is I'm just testing my method. So this is my add method, and this is my subtract method. Okay, so let me go to this project. So I have checked in my code in my GitHub project. So it's asking, what project do you want to, what is your project? It's a .NET or Node.js. So I'm selecting .NET. Then after that, no, wait. So this is when you try to create a fresh new application. So since I have my own code I have, so I'm selecting the second option. So deploy your existing project to Azure. Because I have deployed my Azure, I mean, I have my code. So based upon my code, my infrastructure will be created automatically. So it will ask some list of questions and it's asking where your code is located. So I'm selecting it. So it's asking me to authorize that. So my project I created, one second. This is my project. So this is my project. It's in master. I'm just click next. So it's asking Docker. So we are not using Docker. And my framework is .NET. So mine is not a .NET Core. It's a Java. It's a normal ASP.NET. Then just click next. It's asking where you want to deploy through Windows app. So I'm saying fully yes. I'm going to click next. And it's asking the project name. So I'm telling that .NET uh, demo apps. Okay. And this is my organization. So I'm going to, so this is my subscription and this is my application it's going to create. Okay. And this location is located in South Central. So I'm changing my tire, what type of tire. So I'm going to select free tire. Oops, sorry. This is my free tire. So then click OK. So free tire, done. So when I create this one, it will create a pipeline and it will create a continuous integration and continuous deployment. So it will create app server, and for the app server you want to deploy. For that you need it will create a pipeline. Indirectly, it will create a pipeline. That pipeline will map to that a task. Okay, so as we see in here in this thing. Okay, so right now it will start once I integrated my map, my pipeline, and pipeline will be mapped with my build. Then once my build is started, all the process will start. Build, testing, and since we are not doing coding, and it will do some notification also once it's completed successfully. So it will ask where you want to deploy. I will already in my in that DevOps project, I defined which app server it was to. I mean, it will create a freshly app server actually. So I think it is still in process. See here. So in my deployment, it is creating my. This is my app server. So still it's in progress. Let me mute it. So right now, my app server is created. So I go to resource. Okay. So in my DevOps project, my CI/CD pipeline is created. So this is my project, which I have mapped it when while creating the apps. I mean, applications ask where is your code is located. So this is a project, and it started the build. See here, it pulled the code and it started building. Now, right now it's building the project. Once it done the building the project, it will going to deploy. So CA and CD is deployed. So let me, after deploying, it will deploy into this resource group. Okay. So still this is in progress, build in progress. So we'll go to this Azure DevOps project. So here it will create my release pipeline. So these are the tasks. So here my if you go here, once your code is built it and it will deploy into this drop location, and this drop location is my code is there. It's like a code repository, I mean builded code. That builded code will be deployed into my this box. And which box means if you go to the task, so here I had defined these are my agents. So this we will see in upcoming videos. Right now, don't concentrate because it will get confused, right? Okay, and this will tell that where I'm going to see. I'm going to deploy into this app server. This I already deployed since uh, application still is building, so you can't see it. Once it comes, I'll show you. So it's still building. Let me refresh it. Still in progress. Okay, so right now it is build is in progress. Let us wait for some time. Meantime, I can show you the CD pipeline. Go here. Oh my god.